100 years ago, my great-grandfather bought a junkyard in Indiana. And ever since then, my family has been bringing things back to life. When somebody else has given up on it, when nobody thinks it will run, for 100 years we've been firing them up.
Welcome back to Fired Up Garage. It's Free Car Friday. We got a call from a lawyer who said they're trying to settle an estate and they need to sell the house, but they need all these junk cars gone. They wanted to know if we wanted any for free. And of course I said, free? Let's go. It's 102 degrees, but for free, we'll venture out in the 102 degrees and see what we can find. So let's go see what we got here, what we can find, what we can grab for free, and what we can fire up. Oh. So here's one of them, a little Suzuki X-90. Kind of a weird little car. T-tops. Maybe four-wheel drive, we'll see. And another one back there in the back, the giant motorhome. Let's take a look. Here's the rest of it in all its glory. There it goes. Kinda. Hard to say. Looks like it's still relatively complete in there. And then over here, the little Suzuki. This is the one I'm more interested in. Tops. Short top on it. Looks like it's a two-wheel drive. Sadly, I was hoping it'd be a four-wheel drive. But it'll be a fun little project. We'll pull it out of here. 38,000 miles on it. Interior is actually pretty nice. Just a little bit of rust right there, but that's all. This will make a good little project. So we got the little Suzuki out. Now we're gonna drag it home. It turns over, but it doesn't start, so we'll have to do a little work on it. So there's the little Suzuki we got on Free Car Friday. I know a lot of you guys are interested, what are we gonna do with this one? This one, actually, as soon as I got it home, somebody wanted to buy it. It doesn't have a title. I got it from an estate where the guy had passed away. It also doesn't run, it turns over. And somebody loves these little Suzuki X-90s. I don't love it. I think it's kind of interesting. It's weird, it's a little ugly, I think, but it's unique. And these people love Suzukis, so they're gonna come get it and they're gonna hand us some cash for it. So a lot of times on free cars, I just ask, how much time do I want to invest? How much does somebody want to pay for it? And that's kind of how I determine what's going to happen to it. This one doesn't really interest me all that much, and they're going to hand me cash money. So we're going to make a lot of money in just a little bit of time on this one. So the Suzuki X-90, Free Car Friday, it is going down the road. Somebody will turn it into a cool little off-road toy or something like that coming up. So thanks for watching. Keep firing them up.